In this video, I'm in the kitchen again, guys. Why am I always in the kitchen? Now, I'll be making some oven jerk chicken for you guys today. Right here, we have all the ingredients that we need. But before I even go any further, just want to say, appreciate you guys for the support that you guys are giving me. And for those who out there who have a vision impairment, I hope you guys can find that strength to get up and keep pushing yourself. And for those people watching this video right now, if you have a family member who is vision impaired or maybe a friend, just show them love and keep on supporting them mentally. But anyways, we are in the kitchen. We're gonna prove some of these people wrong, that even when a person have a vision impairment, they can still do a lot. But let me not say too much, because sometimes I think I talk too much, guys. But right here, I have all my ingredients that I'm gonna use. Well, most of my ingredients, because I can't show everything. So we have Scotch bonnet pepper. Got a feel. Right, we have scallions, or scallion, or we Jamaican would say. I have me onion right here. I have me a piece of sweet pepper. I think I have me a piece of ginger. It's trying to hide. Yes, guys, ginger. As I said, I'm not gonna tell all of my ingredients over here. Alright, guys, take my little time. So I got some seasoning right here that I'm gonna use. Alright, and I have my blender right here, which I'm gonna use to blend all what I'll be doing. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Alright, so I'm gonna rest my GoPro right here, and we're gonna start the ball. Okay, yes man, hopefully it's good right there. So let's kick it off, guys. Let me get my knife. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna start with my onion. Alright, so I'm gonna make enough jerk seasoning. Maybe I can bottle up some. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make enough seasoning so I can bottle up some. Alright, so strip off my onion. Okay. Yeah, guys. So for those who are new to the channel, I'm also vision impaired. If you guys are wondering what happened to my eyes, the full story on my profile, on my page. Why am I taking off so much? Alright, so let me just chop this. Just cut it in, probably about 4. Take my time. Put it in my blender. Alright, guys. I got my sweet pepper right here. Don't want to waste too much of it. So I want to use as much of my sweet pepper. Actually, I wash off this already, but I'm going to wash it off same way. I like to wash my vegetables before I use them, okay? Let me take off this. Clean it out, guys. Get rid of the seeds out of it. Alright. So I'm making my seasoning for my jerk chicken, guys. I'm gonna do some chicken in the oven. You know? Yeah man, I'm gonna do some chicken in the oven. So that's why I'm making my seasoning. Nice. Let me wash off this. Alright, guys. Let me just chop it up. Throw it in my blender, guys. Okay. Yeah, we're not going. Oh, something fell. Something fell, guys, but I think something fell on the ground. But I'm not gonna waste too much time. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Can't find it. I'm searching with my foot, but something fell on the ground. Don't want to knock off the blender. So I'm gonna try my best to stay far away from it, guys. So this is a piece of ginger right here. Don't want to waste too much of my ginger, so I clean it up. Alright, so scrape it off. Get off the skin off of it. Yeah man, this jerk season gonna be off the chain, guys. Okay? Alright, so the only thing that's gonna be missing is some pimento seed. Alright? But I not worry myself because I have some jerk season that I make previously, which have a little pimento seed in it. So we're gonna put that tonight. As I said, I'm not gonna give all my secrets, but if you guys follow along, you still can make it. If you guys pay close attention to what I'm doing, you can still make your jerk seasoning. I'm giving you guys the basic. Okay, I'm giving you guys the basic, so you will still get that same nice flavor, but not like mine. Not like mine, but it will taste good same way. Okay. Alright, so I have a piece of ginger. Alright guys, so I want to cut off my finger. Don't want to cut off my finger, you know. I don't want to cut off my finger, so let me try to turn so you guys can see what I'm doing. They say you must not turn your back to the camera, right? So hopefully my back wasn't turned. Alright, so what else we have right here? We have some Scotch bonnet pepper. So I can't bother to pull the bag, so I just gotta be stubborn and just take it from right here. Just gonna be stubborn. Alright guys, I don't want to make it too spicy. I'm gonna use 3 pepper. 3 pepper may I use, guys. 3 pepper. I'm gonna use the seeds in it too. Yes guys, may I use everything, the seed, everything, but I'm gonna wash it off. Everything gonna go into this, guys. So who can manage the pepper? Like Brie, sorry for you. Alright guys, let me wash off my pepper. Wash off my pepper, guys. So let me burst them. As I said guys, I don't want to knock off the blender. Alright, Scotch bonnet pepper right there, guys. Alright, where's the pepper? Where are you with it? Hold on there, guys. What did I do with it? What the? Didn't I just have? Oh, there we go. I was like, what did I do with it? Alright guys, so we have some scallion. What's this? Shoot, man. I think I'm gonna change this bag, guys. I'm gonna get a Ziploc bag and put it in. So hopefully I don't throw it away. So scallion. Alright, this is where the magic starts. With the scallion, guys, I'm gonna use a nice amount of scallion. For me, I know how to use my judgment. So I'm using my judgment to use the scallion. So I'm gonna use up the scallion, guys. I don't want them to go bad. Alright, so I have scallion right here. Oh, I clean my scallion up. I literally feel. Yes guys, so I have 4 stalk of scallion. 4 stalk. So I'm gonna take off the bad pieces, which I can feel. So I normally go like this, take off right here so first. And then I just bust the side right there and strip my scallion. Yeah, strip my scallion. Alrighty. Yeah guys, when I feel it I can tell that the part of it that's by feeling it, I can tell where we must cut off guys. By feeling it. So I'm going to clean up, then I'm going to wash them off and put them in the blender. Alright. Alright, then I burst this. Hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Yeah, guys, I don't know why the scallion always feels so slippery. Sometimes it does. I don't like to feel it. It does feel slippery sometimes, man. Alright guys, we're making our jerk seasoning. Don't want to waste too much of the scallion. I'm going to try to move a little bit faster. Yeah guys. When you don't have your full vision, you can't move like a Superman. I gotta take my time. Take my time and do what I'm doing. Yes guys, that's how I make love. When I'm making love, I take my time. Take my time guys and just, you know, make sure it's all, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? When you take your time guys, you get that climax, like, you know, you will make that climax happen. You know, that orgasm, you know? Yes. You know, because a lot of persons, they are in relationships and they never make their partner climax before. Guys, when you make your partner climax, trust me. You know what I mean? Yes, you got the eyes rolling over. You know what I mean? You know? Grabbing on in your back. You know what I mean? Ripping your skin and stuff like that. You'll be like, let me go.
You know,
that's how good the food, baby. I'm telling them how good the food is, baby. It's
we
like
haven't had brown stew turkey.
The thing is right there, okay?
Okay.
Brown stew turkey?
Yeah, we haven't had that in a while.
Where's the vinegar and the thing the way you have?
I ain't said I had it, I said I forgot it.
No, you said you had some pepper in soaking vinegar.
Oh yeah.
So I'm telling them how good it is, like my food is like having an orgasm, right babe?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, only my wife experienced that, okay?
See it?
Only my wife experienced that. Alright, thank you. So Bree saved my life, right guys? Bree saved me with little vinegar. Bree saved me with little vinegar, guys.
We having jerk chicken?
Yeah, you don't want that?
Yeah.
Oh. We have tomato ketchup?
You want ketchup?
Not right now, but we have, right? Yeah, don't think we have, don't think we have. Yeah, I have everything, I think so.
Right. I'm putting it over here by the hot sauce.
Okay.
So I'm fix me some ice cream.
Okay. Alright guys, so this is what I'm gonna drop. Now go.
We ain't got no more than Hawaiian rolls, because that'd been good with jerk chicken.
We have, yeah, look at it. Wanna laugh off of it. Guys, yeah, say, meat off the what? No, them bread there, them bread are really nice, babe. Like, you eat them bread, they come like you can't stop. Like you can't stop, man, but guys, she laughing at me, guys. Cause she know, say, those bread, yeah.
You on your
I record it at the same time. So I both I use the GoPro.
That thing can see way over here.
The GoPro?
Yeah.
No, it turn. It's like it's to me.
Oh, well, give me a spoon so I can scoop my ice cream, please.
Oh. What do you want? Big spoon, small spoon?
Big one.
Hold on. You want this not one napkin?
You know what? I put one up here because I didn't think one was there.
No, because this morning I take it out because when I did check before I check the yourself. When you take it out this morning?
I put it up.
This morning?
My God.
What happened?
I put my ice cream in the wrong one.
In the wrong... Oh, in the cup? It's okay.
Can't even go into the sink.
Put the ice cream in the wrong one?
I put the ice cream in a cup of water.
Yeah, man, I throw you chatting cause that, man. Guys, you know what she gonna say? She gonna say, Shane, you did that, you know? That she gonna say, guys. She gonna say, me did that.
No.
She gonna be like, Shane, look what you made me did. I was like, no, babe, you would do it. And not me.
Are you?
And not me. Alright, guys, so.
I had to do that.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, guys, so. A little more time. Try to use up the time, guys, because sometimes we have it until it just spoil. So I'm gonna try, meaning you go dry sometimes, like how long we have it. So I'm gonna use up as much time as possible. Alright. Let me just bust them.
Bust them. Bust them.
Yeah. Guys, she wanna talk like Jamaican, you know. She can't do it, guys, you know. She good at it, guys, trust me. One thing I try to catch her with more time. I always say, babe, say down a yard. Yeah, so I tell her if I say down a yard, guys. Brie can't even say down a yard. She'll be like, down a yard. She's like she speaking Spanish. But yeah, guys, so anyway, let me... we need to put this in a... Yeah, we need to put this in a Ziploc bag. I don't want it... Let me just rest them over here, so I don't want to keep up. What me I do? What me I do? Focus on Shane. Focus, man. Leave it right there, son. You move like you're nervous. Alright. What did I do? So, time for my seasoning now. Alright. So, I have... Oh, I need some vegetable oil. Yeah, guys, I need some cooking oil.
We should have some.
Yeah, we have. Alright, guys, so we have some cooking oil right here. We're gonna use some oil. Trying to find me. Alright. Guys, accidentally open, okay? What the heck? Can't find the cup. What the?
Just kick it over.
You know what? Believe it, man. Guys, I forget that cup. I search for the cup, and the more I go to the cup, I keep on a kick with the cup. So, we have some cooking oil, guys. The more I go for the cup, guys, I keep on a kick the cup. No, man. The more I go for the cup, I keep on a kick the cup. So let me use this. So I'm using my judgment, guys. Alright? Yeah, I use my judgment. Alright, so vegetable oil. Alright, now I use my judgment. So we're adding some vegetable oil. Yeah, guys, we need some oil in it. You know what I mean? You have to grease it. Alright, guys. Alright, so Brie have some vinegar soaked with pepper. So I'm gonna want some. Yeah, I'm gonna use some of that.
Don't use that hot pepper there.
No, I'm gonna use the vinegar.
Okay.
But if it's extra spicy, oh my word. Why?
I tell you, the bears that make my daddy, oh my gosh.
What am I doing?
They ain't giving nobody none. It's only two.
You need to forgive your brother one. You can't do that.
I don't think he'll let the people with the kids.
No, you will. You can't do that. Give him one. And I'm gonna anytime I see him, I'm gonna tell him.
You're bragging.
Like I say, bro, I don't remember if your sister said she have one beer if you give you. God no, I'm gonna do it. Give him one. You can't keep all two for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So me go and talk.
So I drop one off today when I go get the kids.
Yeah. No, give him one man. I make him know if you keep. He might keep it sentimental. Probably keep it on him dresser. Or something like that. You need it for.
Gonna be bad.
But how she gonna know? How she gonna know say two?
Yeah.
But I know your fault, so. Why this can't pull? Alright guys. Remember how she gonna know? We're up on the camera. We just give her the evidence. We just give the evidence away. So she gonna know. Alright.
TikTok up one, you know.
Yeah?
The boy said I done it burnt him.
Alright, baby. Alright, we don't want to discuss something like that. Okay, right now? Yeah. And my, yeah, I'm not promote nobody. No disrespect, baby girl. I think it's gonna be like hot, you know, babe.
I just promote it when I'm talking to you.
No, because I'm live. But it's okay. Alright, so put my seasoning. Alright guys, so I got all my seasoning right here. So I add a little bit of salt. Not too much. Just to bring up the flavor a little. Yeah guys, not too much salt. Got me some onion powder. I don't got me fresh onion. Not onion, sorry guys. I got me some garlic powder. Yeah, I don't have any fresh garlic. So I use some garlic powder. I'll probably use about four teaspoons. Yeah guys. Alright, garlic powder. Guys, this is the basics. So if you guys want to catch this, make sure you guys are following along, okay? I'm teaching you guys the basic. So you guys, at least you guys are not gonna know how to. You can't say Shane never teach you guys something. Okay? You guys getting something to remember. So Shane taught me how to make. Alright guys, black pepper. Not using too much because I already have pepper in it already, so alrighty. Alright guys, we have some complete seasoning right here. You can use complete seasoning, or you can use meat seasoning, or you can mix. Yes guys, you can mix your meat seasoning. You can use poultry seasoning. So I'm using some complete seasoning right now, okay? This have everything in it guys. I'm using probably about six of these. So that's 2, 3, yes, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes guys, I'm using my judgment, okay? I do this all the while guys. I'm a professional at making this, okay? Smells so good guys. You smell that, babe? Mm-hmm. Guys, I can literally smell it and I don't start blending as yet. That's how good it is. That's how good it is, guys. We need brown sugar. Got me some brown sugar right here. on, don't do me that. Got me some brown sugar. Alrighty. Some brown sugar. Alright guys, so got me some brown sugar guys. I'm gonna use some brown sugar tonight. Okay guys, make sure the sugar don't have no lump in it. Yeah guys, brown sugar. If you don't know what a brown sugar is, this is called brown sugar. Sugar.
Brown sugar, baby.
Yeah, sugar. In Jamaica we say sugar. You know, but it's actually sugar. Anyways, let me leave that alone. Leave that word there alone, Shane.
Sugar.
Yeah, sugar. In Jamaican we say sugar. So put some sugar in it. Yeah guys, put a little bit of sugar. A bit of sugar guys. Not gonna use too much. So I just use 2 teaspoons. Let me cover this back. Covering back my container. Guys, I feel a little bit thirsty, so let me get a little bit of water to drink, guys. I feel thirsty. Ooh. Like a camel. Alright. What else do I need right here? I think that's everything. Alright guys, so I think that's I have a little bit from before. I don't really want to mix. Hold on. I got a little seasoning from before. I don't think I'll be mixing this, guys. I think it's in the fridge for a while. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna mix this.
What, the peppers?
No, we have some seasoning in the fridge for a while.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna mix it, guys. So I'll probably get a fresh bottle, but I'm gonna need the cover. So make me a fresh bottle. It's still good now, guys, but I'm not use it. Yeah, I'm not gonna mix the old and the new. I think I'm gonna need the cover, but I'm gonna get me a fresh bottle. So let me I'll put it out of the way. Hopefully in a turnover. Yeah guys, put it over this. You know what? Let me use it. Oops, wrong bottle, guys. Nobody told me. Wrong bottle. Yeah, I bet y'all don't know what's inside this. Bet y'all don't know. Bet y'all don't know. Yeah, I trick you guys just now, okay? I just use a special seasoning which I trick you guys. I didn't want to tell you. I just tricked you guys a while ago. Alright, so this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna blend and ready. need me a little spoon to test the texture. Alright, let me test the yeah, I'm smelling it now, yeah. Yeah, just starts. I was like, why I'm not smelling it? But me just start smelling it, guys. You know, if you don't smell it, it's not good. Yeah, guys. Yes, guys. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do now. Alright, I need my other ingredients. Where is it? Alright, we have some browning right here, guys. So this is where the magic happens. The browning, you put in it. This is where the magic starts. Okay, this is the concussion. the concussion, guys. So I put some browning inside of it. Browning. Alrighty, guys. I'm making me some jerk seasoning. Alright. Yes, guys. As I said, you can put pimento seed in it too, guys. It's needed. Okay, but the thing I put in it, I had pimento seed already, so I'm good. So anyway, let me focus, guys. Because I can't see the amount, I have to do this, guys. I have to use my hand. I have to use my hand, guys. And this is a little bit tricky because I don't want too much going in it. So I have to use my hand. Just a little bit more. Alright, guys, I'm not going to use no more. I don't want it too black because I can't see it. So I'm just try my best to make it too black. Alright, guys. I'm wash off my hand. There it is. Okay. Now we're gonna Alright guys, I think that's good. Alright my peeps. So let me show you guys what my seasoning look like. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you what's going on right here. Alright, make it look down in it guys. That's my seasoning right there. Yeah guys. So I'm gonna get a bottle and put this in it. You get me? So if I'm doing a good job, wait, like the video. Thank you. Yes guys, like the video, please and thank you. Let me rest back my GoPro right here guys. Gotta take my time, alright? Rest back my camera right there. Hopefully you guys are seeing me good. Alright. So all these things right here, we're gonna get a bottle and we're gonna put it into a bottle. Now, we have a few bottles which we should have washed out. But alrighty. Yeah guys, I have me a few bottles which I'm gonna wash out and I'm gonna put it in a 2 bottle. So let me wash out these bottles. Alright guys. Alright, so my bottle up. I'm gonna bottle up 2 bottles out of this. But let me just try if it's stir it a little guys. Let me rest this in the sink. Let me get these out of the way. Should have, yeah guys, I should have done that before, you know. Should have done that before. Don't want it throw away. Alright, smell really good guys. So yeah guys, we don't want put too much of the stronger part of the seasoning in a 1 bottle. So when I finish, I go back to the next bottle. Yeah, I don't want to put too much of the thicker part in a 1. You get me I say guys? So I try to even it out. So bottle it up guys. Alright. It's amazing guys. It smells so good. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna give my wife's sister a bottle. Yeah guys, I give her a sample. I think this have, so I might give her this bottle. Yeah guys, I might give her the bottle here. So let me wipe it off. Yeah guys, so I might give her this bottle. She deserves it, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna give my wife, sister, this bottle. Yeah guys, this is jerk seasoning, okay my people? This is jerk seasoning right here. You see when you get the cover now guys, when you get the cover and you rest that cover on it, oops, when I open back this guys, well not me, when she open this, that's when the scent is gonna, when it kick in, yeah, she's gonna get that jerk effect. Yeah man. So I'm gonna tell her for when we give her this, I'm gonna tell her to grind some pimento seed in it. Yes, use the grinder and grind some pimento seed inside of it, okay? Yeah. So that's gonna give it an extra boost. And this is how it look when I bottle it. Alright.
Back camera.
Hold on.
Double tap to activate.
Alright guys, so tell me how it look. You know what I mean? Yeah man, we make the jerk seasoning guys. Listen, if you wanna support me guys, you can reach out to me. My number is 863-330-8039. Alright? But guess what? I'll charge you a bottle of this $25 for shipping. Shipping not included guys. So yeah man, let me know what you think about this. But listen, the vlog is not done. We're gonna do some oven jerk chicken to show you guys how I use my seasoning. Okay? So I'm gonna use this little bit that I have right there, so plus that right there is mine. Alright, we're gonna get the chicken and we're gonna season our chicken together. Alrighty, we have our chicken right here, so this is what we're gonna use the seasoning on. Alright, so I'm gonna cut my chicken up guys. Remember, I'm vision impaired, so we're gonna do this. Alright, then wash it off guys. Alright, where's my knife right here? So let me cut my chicken up. So we're gonna separate all of these. Let me get my watch off. Or did I forget? Take off my watch guys. Don't want no meat to get on my watch or anything like that. Hopefully it don't drop and break. Okay, here we go. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do guys is remove the legs, like real quick. Okay, let me take off the legs. Remove the legs quick and fast guys. Try to do this. Oh, the legs. Let me take off the bottom. Yeah, guys, we call it the chicken bottom. Let me remove the bottom, guys. Yeah, we don't deal with bottom, so I'm taking off the bottom. You know, we don't do bottoms. All right, so we take off the bottom of the chicken. All right, it's kind of a little bit unbuggy. Yeah, guys. It's a bit difficult for me to do it right here, but
Tanya Short Dash X3F. I subscribe to your channel.
thank you.
To activate.
All right, guys. So I'm getting the chicken in half. All right. I don't know why these American chickens, they're always so soft, guys. Listen, those persons who prepare these chickens, don't make them stay in the water so long, okay? Because when you sell the chicken them, they are ripping up. The chicken not supposed to be tearing up. In Jamaica, our chicken don't tear up, but in America, the chickens are always tearing up. And sometimes the chicken are too small that you guys are selling in the store. Okay? I don't know why the chicken them so small sometimes. Like they're not ready yet. Okay? Alright, guys, so I'm gonna take off this piece right here. So I'm cutting it up, guys. Then we're gonna clean it up. Hold on. My bad. Hold on, guys. Don't wanna contaminate what I'm doing. So let me put this right here. Yeah, don't want contamination. Yes. So I'm cutting up my chicken, guys. Take off the wing. Take off the wing, guys. Trying to hurry up. I don't want my chicken to get too hot. Yeah, I don't want the temperature to drop on the chicken, guys. Meaning it's cold right now still. So I want to keep them. I don't want them get too hot. Alright, so that's the wing. So when I'm finished, guys, I'm gonna wash off my meat. So just clean it up quick and fast, guys. Yeah. Just rest it on this thing right there. This is the tricky part of the meat, guys. Right here, so is the tricky part, so you have to clean out them part there. But let me see if I can separate this. Guys, I'm gonna get some water. Need some water in this. So get some water, guys. too much. Don't want to mess up the stove. Normally I do it at the sink, but I put these two things right here so it don't mess up. Yeah guys. Alright, so as I tell you just now, right here, sir, but I'm gonna do this piece last because I'm gonna clean out get rid of the little bloody piece. Alrighty. So the next time you'll see me, the chicken will be finished cut up. Alright my people, so my meat is finished clean up. Finished cleaning it up, so I clean it up, you know what I mean, get rid of the extra fats off of it and cut it up, right? But what am I gonna do? Let me wipe off my hand. I'm just gonna use the knife to just draw a few lines in it. I like when my seasoning, yes guys, I just do that so my seasoning can go down inside of it. That's just something I do guys, okay? Don't want to make them too big because when it's in the oven, it literally can cause the chicken to start fall apart. Meaning, if I cut them too deep. Same thing with the legs, guys. Yeah, same thing with the legs. I just kind of just slice them a little. Yeah guys, I just slice them a little and I'm gonna add my seasoning. Just go through and just add. Yeah guys, wanna hurry up before the meat start to get hot. Yes, if the meat at a certain, you know, bacteria, yes, you don't want a bacteria, so I'm gonna try hurry up. Yeah guys, I try my best to hurry up. Meat's still cold. Yeah man, it's still cold. But you know, once it start to get hot, my people, that's where bacteria come in, so we are run from that. Alright? That's how you guys don't know that. But we're preventing bacteria. Alright, so that's supposed to be good. Alright, now I'm gonna use the rest of my seasoning. So for those who are new here, alright guys, so I'm not gonna use this to touch anything because I'm gonna use this in my meat. So I made me some jerk seasoning. I made some jerk seasoning, guys. Okay, I made some jerk seasoning earlier. If you guys remember, yes, a 2 bottle. One feel heavier than one, but I'm gonna give one to Bree, to my wife's sister. But this is what I'm gonna use. I have a little right here. In this, I'm gonna use it. Okay, I'm gonna use this for my meat. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wash off my hand. Don't want to break anything. Then I put this out of the way. Yeah guys, I don't want the thing to cut me. Guys, so one of these bottles, I'm gonna give away one. I think this one feel a bit heavier, so I'm gonna give away that one. Now, I'm gonna add some more direct seasoning. Okay. Yes guys, I made this, okay? See it, look guys, even though I can't see it, I am the one who made my seasoning, guys. Think that is okay? Yeah man. So I got me some leftover. Yeah, this is good to use again and something else, so I can store this in the fridge for at least maybe a month. Yeah man, roughly for a month. I can have it in the fridge or more. See it, look guys? Yeah man, I made this, okay? Yes, I made it. So now, you know, you have to get the hands them clean. You have to get the hands them clean, my people. Alright, so get me a piece of hand towel right here. Clean my hands properly. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna get my camera. I'm gonna get my camera, guys. Alright, my people. Take this thing off. Alright guys, so we're gonna rub in the seasoning. Alright, wipe off what man. Try not to touch anything too much. Yeah guys, so rub in seasoning. Yeah man, how it look guys? Hope you guys not seen my big foot. Hope you not see about big foot them. Let me push it back a little. Yeah guys, so a few pieces of chicken me had put in the oven, you know. Get it marinate up and thing. Okie dokie. Alright. Got our pan right here. This one I'm gonna put my chicken in. But right now I'm gonna turn on the oven and let it hot. Okay, so on the stove there is some bump dots, so let me show you guys how I turn the oven on. Okay, so there is some bump dots. Let me remove this charger. There is some bump dots. This is what you call bump dots. So with these the oven basically preset already, you understand me? So I'm gonna start at probably about 350 to 400. But when Bree get back, you know what I mean? Yes man, I'm gonna ask my wife to put it on broil. So I'm gonna start out, you get me? But when it's almost finished, to get my chicken to look dry, yeah, I'm gonna put it on broil. So let me turn on the oven right now. So I press this, okay? And then I press this right here. So now the oven is on. You know what I mean? Yeah guys, so I want you guys to, you know, let me know in the comment section what y'all think about what I'm doing. And if you guys are new, give me some ideas. I need some video ideas guys, you know what I mean? Give me some, you know, tell me what you would like to see me do in the comment section. Maybe you'd like to see me cook something. Maybe you'd like to see me like this. Yes guys, okay, follow me on Instagram also at wadatja, WAHDATJA. You can DM me if anybody have any you know, promotion that you like to reach out to me, want me to do any promotion for you, you can reach out to me guys, you know. Yeah man, I'm always open for business. So let's wait while the oven, you know what I mean, get hot. As I say, yeah, we're waiting for it to get hot right now. So the oven is ready. The oven is hot. Alright, so let me we're gonna put our chicken. Alrighty. Normally I would use a little bit of grease in the pan, but I won't be greasing the pan. I won't be greasing the pan today. So let me clean the pan out. Yeah guys, I won't be using any grease in my pan today. Because the chicken is gonna produce oil. Alright, so let's get it ready. Let's get it ready for the oven. Alright, so let's do this. So this is the chicken. I think it will marinate right now. So like we just lay them down in the pan, guys. I'm not using any grease. Yeah, so I just take my little time, lay them. Yeah, hopefully I'm doing a good job, guys. Hopefully I'm doing a superb. Alright, so I want as much of the seasoning on it. Yes, man. Okay. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. You get me, I say? Here we go. Hopefully me do a good job, guys. Hopefully I'm doing a good job. Try to get a little more space. After this, yeah man, it good. Come here. Don't want no more space, guys. It good, so I'm gonna try for it. So we're gonna drop it in the oven. See if I can dry it out, man, a little. Alright, guys. So we're gonna open the oven. Alright. It's pretty hot. So we're gonna slide it. Alright. In the oven. Yeah. This is a lot of work. But we'll give that a few. You know what I mean? But randomly, we're gonna have to keep on a check on it. You get me? So let's see how it looks when it's almost or finished. So let's check on our chicken. Just I go check it to see what's going on. Yeah guys, oh let me teach you guys something. When you open the oven, as a person with vision impairment, don't do that what I just did a while ago, guys. Even for a person who can see, don't do that. That's dangerous. This is the right way to do it. You go like this. But as I said, well, accident can happen, but I should know better. So let me go like this. Open the oven from the side so the heat can come up before you put your face down. And then you carry it down. Then you use your hand and you feel the side. As a vision impaired individual, feel. Yeah guys. So I'm just Hold on, I'm gonna close it back a little. It's not done it. It's not finished as yet. But me just yeah guys, I just want it kinda ease them up a little. Yeah guys, just ease them up a little. Yeah man. When I finish, I'm gonna make some glaze. Oops. Yeah guys, it's not ready yet, okay? Just check it out. Yeah, so hopefully you guys can see what's going on, you know. Again, open back. Don't put my face there until the heat come out. Put it down. So I'm gonna put it back in, guys.
At Tanya Short X3F, can't wait to see the chicken yummy button. Double tap to activate.
Alright. So yeah, when in a bit, I'm gonna make me a little bit of glaze. So making my glaze. So I'm just use a little of this. Yeah guys, not too much, just I'm gonna use just a little over my chicken. But this is gonna help with the magic, to do the magic. Yeah guys, some tomato ketchup, or some people say tomato paste. Yeah guys, this is what I use to make my glaze, alright? Don't want to overdo it. Yeah, I don't want to overdo it, guys. Just get a little saucy, you know? A little saucy on it. So I'm going to take out my chicken right now. So I'm going to prepare this to put over my chicken. Alrighty, get a fork. Where the fork there? Alright. Let's see what's going on with the chicken, guys. Hopefully they're not burning. Alright. Righty. Alright guys, so then that dry out. No one them burn, you know. So I'm gonna glaze them and turn them. I'm gonna go make Brie put it on broil. See, look guys. I'm gonna dry out. Okay. Alright, so let me show you what's going on. So this is what it looked like. I'm gonna put the sauce. I just made some sauce a while ago. You get me? So I'm gonna add it on my chicken. But as you all know, I have to rest my phone. Keep on talking about phone. Oh, okay, baby girl. Alright guys, so glaze. Nice.
Smells good in here.
It does?
Yeah.
Damn, I wonder why. So put me down my full vision. No man. Tell her baby girl and so.
Baby girl.
You like that name? Turn you on down.
Get some grits.
Mm.
You got your GoPro on?
Yeah, right this one. Good.
The rinse right there, so.
You want me? I don't know if it will catch. It's wide, you know? So,
I know, that's okay.
may I get it right?
Yeah.
That's how I use my judgment. Guys, I don't have a brush, so I'm using improvise. Just a sauce up a little, guys. So it not too dry out, you know. Smell good? No man. Smell damn good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to turn them. I'm gonna go make brie, put it on broil. Alright. So we get it on broil guys, so it can dry. Tastes good guys, I swear. So this is how you do your oven jerk guys. Tastes so good, I swear guys. Tastes so damn good. Baby, this what I do? You like it?
Yeah.
Hmm?
I mean, actually, did you like that chicken the other day for Friday night?
You fry it dry like this. What happened now like a dry chicken? Huh?
Yeah,
Yes.
like that jerk chicken, yeah?
Now I put this on broil, okay? But when I finish, you say it dry out a little. Probably about 5 minutes, then you can turn off. Probably 5 or yeah, about 5 minutes. Now I want it bun. It's about 5 to 7 minutes. Fling up some heat pan it.
Probably not even that long, because that's sitting there with hot chirachi.
That's what I'm saying. I just want it dry. So probably about 2 minutes. Yeah, give it about 2 minutes.
Oh, my baby, help me with the rub.
Okay.
Hurry, booby.
Okay. Guys, see? She give me some name there. Bree, give me some. Bree.
Erica Rose 75055 button.
Erica Rose, big up.
Double tap to activate.
Guys, sometimes Bree give me some name. Yeah, she call me Booby.
Nothing wrong.
What? Yeah, guys, some name what she give me, Booby. Hey, Booby.
You want me to tell them the other name?
No. Don't do that, baby.
Yeah.
That's the secret name, okay?
Yeah.
That's the secret name. But hey, guys. Watch out, there's something I'm doing. Smell good. No, like it's real. Smell. Alright, so let me. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna place it. just now. I'm gonna put back this in the oven, so the next time you see that, it's gonna be finished. Okay? Yeah. Let's take our chicken out. It's finished, guys. After a few hours of waiting, well, minutes of waiting, our chicken is finally done. Alright. And this is my jerk chicken, guys. This is how the chicken comes out. Let me get a fork. Let me get a fork. This is how the chicken look, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get my camera. Okay. Yeah, man. So tell me, look, my people. Okay, this is how you do your oven jerk. So, I don't want it to stay too long. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Alright, my people. So I'm gonna just leave it in the oven, make it just go and dry out. You see me? Yeah. So if you guys have enjoyed my little how to, you get me, and I hope you guys, you know, will try this recipe. Yeah, man, try the recipe and tell me how it come out. The comment section is always there, so you can try and make it and come back in the comment section. Yes, return back to the comment section and just say, Shane, you know, I try to make the, you know what I mean, the oven jerk chicken and it came out real good, tastes good. I want your feedback, guys. Okay, so until next time, people, walk good.